Hey guys, what's up? Jason Pohl here. I wanted to share with you a new project that I've been working on. I thought it'd be really cool. I get a lot of people ask me all the time about my process and how I go from an idea in my head to a concept to a 3D model to a working part. So I thought, what a perfect project to share with you this new wallet that I created. Basically, I wanted to create something that helped organize, my driver's license and my essential cards like my insurance card, my credit cards, and things like this. Something that was different from a traditional wallet, so to speak. So I came up with the snapback, and it's really cool. It's a wallet that pivots over and closes. It's very simple design. I always start with a sketchbook, a piece of paper, and just start throwing lines on it. You know what? People ask me all the time, where do you draw? What do you use? Well, I have a Wacom Cintiq tablet, and I'm pretty old school with a sketchbook, man. What I found the most successful way to design something is to just put yourself out there and just start throwing lines and just keep throwing them on the paper. I always say it takes 100 bad ideas to get that one good idea. So with this project, I sketched up a bunch of different wallets, and I just kept turning the page, and sketching a new one and following the lines that I liked. And then when I had something that I was like, all right, this could be cool, I took it to the Wacom tablet and just sketched some more on top of it, got some real dimensions in it. And I was like, okay, this is a cool concept. I kind of like it, I'm getting there. For me, I wanted it to be like an organic piece. So what I was really drawn to, and it sounds just crazy to say it, was like a river rock, like a nice polished rock that's been at the bottom of a riverbed for a while, and it's just smooth, and so I was like, okay, so now I have to figure out how to create that. How do I make that in 3D space? Traditionally speaking, I would jump into Solidworks, do a bunch of loft sections and guide curves and things like that. But I wanted to use new tool sets that I've been using, so I used X-Shape. It's in the 3D Sculptor package on the 3D Experience platform. And right away, I just started with a quick box, extruded the end, and bam, it was like, wow, this is gonna work, Then I jumped right back into SolidWorks and put in the dimensions of the credit card, and I was like, man, it's gotta lock somehow, So I thought the easiest and quickest way to do that is to do magnetic inserts so that it has that snap when you open and close it. And it does a function. Everything I design has to function, and it protects all my cards. It keeps them clean, keeps them in my pocket, and it's just a great way to carry everything that I need to carry, So for me, it was a lot of fun. I started with the sketch, went to the model. I even did a cardboard cutout first out of paper, just to get the dimensions right. Then I printed it out on my 3D printer and really got a feel for it going in and out of my pocket. So I loaded it up with my cards and started using it. I really liked it, so I thought, hey, why not make this out of aluminum? So I cut some stock for it, and I loaded it up on my Tormach 1100 MX CNC mill and put some tools to it. So overall, I was really excited to work on this project and be able to share it with everyone. People ask me all the time about my process, and you know what? It's not like a perfect recipe, but it's just, design with chaos is what I say. And at different times when you get inspired, sketch it down and then revisit it with a 3D model and enhance it from there. Also, for me, it's all about having progress and getting that finished product. Hope you guys like seeing my workflow a little bit. I'm gonna be doing a lot of other videos like this, so make sure you subscribe, hit the like button. Don't forget to hit me up in the comments, and just keep moving forward.